today's video I am making sweet carrots. Hi, my name is Tachna and welcome to the channel Cooking with the Tachnas. Sweet carrots are a wonderful side dish for any holiday get-together or just any meal. And it is super simple. Are you having a hard time getting your kids to eat cooked vegetables? Well, the key is sweet carrots. It has honey in it and they love it. Promise you. And this is very, very simple. Like all the recipes I show on this channel, very simple. I have baby carrots. You can use large carrots and cut them up. This is very convenient and simple. So I'm gonna throw this in the pan. Doesn't make a difference how many you have, just for the amount of people that you're having over. Tonight, I'm having a Passover Seder. There's gonna be about 6 of us. With all the other food that I'm making, this should be plenty. I have a half a stick of salted butter. You can use unsalted if you want. This is 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice. Here is a 1/4 a cup of white cooking wine. And this is a 1/4 a cup of honey. This is the key. We're going to cook this on the stove for about a half an hour to 45 minutes on a very low temperature because it is honey. We don't want the honey to burn and we don't want the butter to burn. And if you need a little bit more, any of the ingredients, go ahead and put it in. It's a base recipe. This looks great for me. I'm gonna cover it up. Put it on medium heat until it gets going, and then I'll turn it down. Okay, the carrots have been cooking for about 45 minutes now. It's time to check them out, see how they're doing. Here we go. They look great. Pour them out in the bowl. This is a perfect amount. Okay, let's try them. Like I said, this is a perfect way for kids to eat their vegetables when it's just doused in honey. They're delicious. You can taste the butter and the lemon and the honey, and the carrots still has a bit of a crunch to it. So everyone's gonna really love this. It's a great side dish. Thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. Have a wonderful day.